Hello guys and welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to go live on TikTok without 1,000 fans. So as of 2023, the TikTok platform still requires users to have at least 1,000 followers to be able to go live. This is a requirement that TikTok has put in place to ensure the quality and safety of live broadcasts through the platform. However, if you don't have 1,000 followers yet, there are some steps you can increase your followers and eventually be able to go live. First is post quality content regularly. Make sure to post high quality videos on regular basis to attract and retain followers. Use relevant hashtags. Hashtags are an effective way to reach new audience and attract more followers. Collaborate with other users. Collaborating with other users in your niche can help you reach new audience and reach your followers. Engage with your followers. Respond to comments and messages from your followers to build a loyal following. Promote your TikTok account on other social media platforms. Share your TikTok videos on other social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook to reach a wider audience and gain more followers. So by implementing these strategies, you can grow your TikTok following and eventually meet the 1,000 follower requirement to go live. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to this channel. Thanks!